This is my first time driving this bad boy. Let's get on up in here. Never drove one before, but Redneck ingenuity should help me figure it out. First I notice it's got an air conditioning, radio, all sorts of good toys. Ladies and gentlemen, excuse me for a minute, we are in park. We do have the clutch on. We're just gonna try closing this door real quick. Hopefully my boss ain't home. If he is, hey, I ain't getting chewed out for leaving it in the wrong spot, that's for sure. Okay, that's idled down. This something is off. That should be on that. That's on that. Boy, it's nice in here. Okay, first, I'm gonna pull it apart and put it in A. It's in first gear. We want the tractor to run forward. We're gonna shift it forward a little bit. Shift it into second, and third, fourth. Now we're driving this tractor that I've never driven before like a boss. Yeah, I'm stupid, ain't it? But we gonna get where we going. I'm parking it, so you know my boss is kind of particular about having things not parked in a row. And for my first time driving one of these, I think I'm doing pretty good. You know, turn this down a little bit. I like it like this right here. Alright. Anyway, YouTube, this is the best I got. This is Barry Williamson driving a big old tractor. I don't even know what size it is, but y'all saw it. Holla at me. Tell me, not bad for the first time driving. That's redneck ingenuity right there. Country boy.